Stop by and take a look at the 2020 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.